for CSC Project Learning Group. Today I will teach in this video for how to set progress bar in Visual Studio C#. Click first, you have some tool, click toolbar, search timer, click timer and click the frame, and next I am set this timer on timer tool, and next click this AX window media player frame and go to event, click in property. I have zoom this place, click this property and search play state change, click play state change, double click and open this play state change main method creating automatically, and next type the code. Before this setting set for this progress bar and creating these labels, these two labels creating, and next you go to type the code. I am type the code if AX window media player dot play state equal WMP lib dot WMP play state dot next WMP s paused and next open bracket and close bracket, and second I am retype this code WMP paused. Using this paused is initially capital P, and next progress bar 1 dot this progress bar 1 dot is this progress bar name. This is this progress bar name, so I have called the progress bar 1 and maximum equal to int open bracket int close the bracket and AX window media player 1 dot CTL control. I am using CTL control dot current item dot duration. Next using semicolon and hit enter. Timer 1, this timer 1 object is creating initially timer 1 object variable name is timer 1. I am called this timer 1 dot start. and next click this end of the if and hit enter, and next else if it is a nested if condition, and AX window media player dot play state and next equal WMP lib and dot WM play state and next dot WM PPS paused and click paused, double click and next open and close bracket, timer 1 dot stop using stop function, next using else if and AX window media player dot play state equal WMP lib and next using WMP play state and dot WMP MPP paused, sorry not paused, stopped, WMPPS stopped, next open close bracket and open bracket, timer 1 dot stop and the initial value is progress bar, next this is identify the initial value, so using this code value equals 0, the initial value is a 0 and next this progress bar is ready and next one coding this timer is a double click and open the timer 1 underscore tick, click this method and next type this code label I have before created two labels. This one label name is label 1 and another label name is label 4. First using label 1 dot the progress bar is running, the second time is start in the label show, so I am create this text equal AX window media player dot CTL control and dot current position string. Finally the semicolon. Next label 4 dot text equals AXW window media player dot current item